Hello, right, this is my cat flap heater. It's been running now for 2 winters, from October or late September really. So I run it for about 15 hours a day on the lowest setting. So I'm looking at a calculator and that works out 2 years, it's 5,400 hours. Let me do an arsehole check. Yeah, pretty clean. Okay, let's do carbon monoxide. Okay, well that's extremely healthy. So it never runs, I never run it above the #1 setting. So the little titchy tank that's in there, I just top, I mean it never uses that in a day. So I have been saving a lot of money as regards having the central heating on, because I'm now £1,400 in credit with my gas bill, because I've got one of them old-fashioned boilers made in the 1970s. Works great, same as the Range Rover did when it came out, if you're happy to accept 12 to the gallon. But running my central heating works out at £100 a week, because it's a good boiler but it's not designed to be efficient. So I will continue with this diesel heater because it's definitely economical. It really is. I mean, I don't know, what's that, £3, £4 a day? I mean, central heating is nothing like that. Not with my boiler anyway. Okay, bye for now.